Hi guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look at the charts and we're starting off with one of my bug portals. I have this one always open on my PC and yeah, it's just nice to take a look at the correlations. Over here we have the dollar, over here we have the S&P, gold and the euro. It's just nice to see how it all correlates with the dollar. S&P is bouncing a little. I think we made a bullish retest of support over here. That is this top over here. And now they will try to go for the all-time high again. So yeah, that is what I expect. And I expect Bitcoin to follow. We saw a little bit of a breakdown of this rising wedge. You could also call it an ascending triangle. If you take this green line, we had a double top and triple tops don't exist, so we broke through it the third time. And now I have the feeling we are bouncing. We broke out of this downward channel and we are bouncing now. I have the feeling we are going to 12k. Maybe this line, this trend line, this lower trend line will be resistance, and that is currently at, yeah, exactly 12k as well. So yeah, I think the price will go to 12k now, and we'll have to see what happens. The good thing is that the fundings are all flat now. Maybe it was a bear trap, but we are bouncing, and so is the S&P 500. The 4-hourly is, well, it's just closed. It's just opened a new one. The previous one was nice, but for now I am quite bullish. I was a bit scared on the way down over here, but we broke out of it, and now we want to see a bounce. This line is support right now around 11.6. I expect a little bit more downside, 11.3, but for now I think we will test 12k. The bullish thing is funding has come down a lot. So a lot of people shorted, or a lot of longs were closed and they all have to buy back. So that is bullish. Or well, that is my bullish case at the moment. Yeah, normally I'm quite good with trade setups and stuff, but right now I am a little bit cautious. We have this trend line here as well. That would be support as well. But yeah, I expect the price now to go to 12k, and we'll have to see what kind of reaction there is. I think a lot of short stops are above 12k, so we could pump higher with the fuel. And yeah, that is actually what I'm looking for, fuel. People who have to close their shorts and stuff, I look at that a lot. But yeah, for now it's a little bit waiting. I think 12k comes first, comes before 11.6, so we'll have to see. Taking a look at the alts, Ethereum has been front running BTC frequently lately. So daily chart, break of 2-year trend line. We had this break of trend line as well. This top, and over here. We'll remove it before it becomes too messy. Zooming in on Ethereum, and we'll close the VPVR. We're kind of in a VPVR gap over here. You can see this big volume bar over here. This is the volume per price. We had a big volume bar over here, and we bounced off it nicely. And we can see, I think they broke a trend line. Yep, broke out, and yeah, right above this point now. What we want to see is new highs. Basically, you could say this is a little bit of resistance over here. You can see action on it, but it is kind of too low time frame for me. That's 420. So yeah, I would say we just want to see new highs. a long is possible over here, just up to, I think, the high. A small long position. Stop below this trend line if it breaks through it again, and otherwise I would say stop over here under the green line. So that is my kind of low time frame trade setup. Would be, I don't play it, and take profit over here at 430 if you want to do a small time frame trade. Let's take a look at Ethereum BTC. Oh, nice flag. Nice flag, broke as well. Can see it with the bare eyes. And yeah, looking good. Just a nice small channel over there, broke up. We want to hold this level, of course, now. No new lows. Ethereum BTC will close the VPVR. I mean, we did break down from this trend line, I believe. Let's take a look. Yeah, we did break this one. I mean, I'm still very much bullish on Ethereum, but I don't like trend lines breaking. Upwards channel, we broke it. I mean, for now, it looks like we broke this one as well. Have to see where we can get. So I'm bullish on it. Not sure what you guys think. Always let me know in the comments what you guys think. Let's go to the daily. XRP, quite nicely. VPVR, not beautifully. Yeah, this is all we want for XRP. We wanted to break this level, make a higher high, and then I think they can make quite a nice run up. I'm not bullish on the fundamentals for XRP. That's a whole different story, but the chart looks like it can make a pop. But like I said, I'm not bullish on the fundamentals of XRP. But I mean, I'm always fine with taking some money of XRP holders. Yeah. EOS, not looking too beautifully over here. Let's go to the daily. I mean, what we want to see is a break of this line. Right now, I don't like how low EOS went lately. Yeah, almost a bit too low for my liking. Went a bit too low for my liking. I wouldn't, I mean, or it's a buy over here, or this is actually a bearish retest. I'm not sure from this high. Few days ago, US was looking very good, but now almost a bit too much weakness. I'm an US holder, and I traded as well, but have to see what the day brings. But these three big red bars, I don't like them. A bit too low. I mean, right now we're at support, so if you want to do a long, this is a good moment. But what you would like to see is break of this line, and then they can easily go to 5.5 USD. Sorry, Litecoin. Let's go to the daily. Litecoin looking a lot better in my opinion. Litecoin is not looking too bad. Broke this 2-year trend line. Not much to say. Target would be $84 or 140 somewhat. Let's go to the hourly. I mean, it still looks good. Still looks very good as long as they. I mean, we had a nice bounce off of this volume bar. You can only use the volume bar if you are paying for TradingView. And this kind of looks like there's a mini head and shoulders. If you don't know what a head and shoulders is, sorry, I see a small mini head and shoulders over here. Head, shoulder, shoulder, and reversal, so go up. What else? Do we see something like this? Could be. I mean, for me, LTC is still a good trade to take. Target $80. Of course, everything is dependent on what BTC is doing, but I mean, Bitcoin is looking good now. Broke this trend line, and funding has been completely flat now for 2 days. People shorting the bottom, so that's exactly what you want. Fuel to the upside. If you have questions about what I just said about fuel and stuff, please let me know in the comments, then I will explain it a bit more in depth, or we'll make a separate video about it. So yeah, LTC looking good. Taking a look at Bond. Bond looking very good over here in a small time frame. We'll close the VPVR. I mean, it's a parabolic chat coin, no doubt. Sideways a little bit. Maybe they're painting something like this. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Daily is an engulfing, that's good. Yeah, well, descending triangle is actually a bit of a bearish pattern. But if they go below $11, I would say I wouldn't like it, but it could also be a stop run. That's what these coins do. They do nasty stop runs, stop you out at the bottom where you think support should be, and then they reverse. So yeah, I mean, for me it still looks good. Maybe a flag. Right now it looks like a descending triangle. That's not particularly bullish, but I mean, it still looks good, like they're holding these levels. Yeah, I mean, not sure I would buy it here, but it still looks good. Still looks good. Like it follows, it flags so extremely nice. Also, Link and others did that as well. So nice, full of small flags. It's just perfect. So yeah, that's about it for today. I'm quite bullish on Bitcoin over here. I think we had the short-term bottom over here. I expected a more rough bottom. If this was it, I expected a nasty candle to the downside to run everybody's stops, shake everybody out, ruin everybody's long, and then continue up. Something like that. So I expected them to go at least below 11.5, just because around number like that there are a lot of stops underneath it. But they didn't even do it. They probably front ran it. So yeah, I think right now 12k is before 11.6. This is not financial advice. If you like my channel, make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think, and if you have questions, always let me know. And if you want to trade with some leverage or other things, use one of these sign up links. They're also in the video description. And I see you guys tomorrow.